I'm going to eliminate these grey hairs naturally, without using fresh dyes or chemicals, with just 2 ingredients. After making this tincture for my grandmother, I never acquired the cosmetic products. We start by cutting 2 lemons in half. You will be surprised by this tip that I am going to discover. You will now be able to get rid of all the grey hair. Before continuing, I would like you to do something for me. Comment thank you and subscribe to give me strength. Then, with a strainer and a citrus press, squeeze as much juice as possible from the lemons. Lemon adds shine to hair, prevents hair loss, and is a great help in the fight against grey hair. Moreover, there are 3 good things for the world. There is a big place in the world against blackheads and blemishes. Once the lemon is ready, we add a tablespoon of coconut oil. This is a nourishing and hydrating treatment that you can apply to your hair to hydrate and protect it. It has anti-aging effects, will not only eliminate grey hair, but it will also add shine and strengthen your hair. Now, we are going to mix these ingredients well. Now we will need a glass container like the one I have here. It should have a lid, but if you prefer, you can use a spray bottle and it will work wonders. In this container, we will add the mixture very carefully so that it does not spill. Now we cover well and let it rest for an hour or 45 minutes. Here's an extra tip for this skin mask. We pour a little into our hands and start rubbing. You will see how your skin becomes soft and smooth. This will help your hands, feet, face, body, neck, and other areas that need it. To remove grey hair, you must have previously washed your hair, then using a brush, apply it to the grey hair. You should apply this mixture from the roots where the grey hairs are located. You should perform light massages all over the scalp. Leave it on for an hour, then remove it with plenty of water. Repeat this procedure 3 times a week, and you will notice the difference from the first application. It worked wonderfully for my grandmother. I would appreciate if you rate this recipe from 0 to 10 to know if you liked the result. Never forget to consult everything with your family doctor. The mixture of lemon and coconut oil is traditionally used as a home remedy for hair care, particularly to reduce the appearance of chapped and grey hair.